Starting with the shower first, I'm going to wash my hair using the Botanical Repair Strengthening Shampoo from Aveda. I just use it on my scalp and then rinse it off, followed by using the Aveda mask and the Olaplex mask that I like to mix, and then I like to detangle using this Tangle Teaser brush. I love the smell and how moisturizing this shower cream is, and I like to wash my face in the shower too using this Kiehl's Calendula cleanser, which is my go-to. After shower, I apply these body butters. They are handmade, fully organic, and so moisturizing. For my skincare, I like to start by applying some vitamin C serum. This one is from Juicy Chemistry. I have been really liking this, and also the Damask Rose and Coffee under eye cream, so that goes on next, followed by moisturizer. I love the Clinique Moisture Surge. I think it works really well for my oily skin type. And then I also apply a little bit of this medicine that I was prescribed, and then I go ahead and seal everything in with this sunscreen. This sunscreen is amazing, one of the best sunscreens I've ever tried, period. And the last step is to apply some lip balm. This one from Laneige is so good for my dry lips. For my hair, I'm going to start by applying this leave-in treatment from Aveda. It's from the same range. This hydrates my hair and keeps it frizz-free. Next, I'm going to apply some heat protectant from Kerastase. I am going to blow dry and straighten my hair, so it was very important that I did apply some heat protectant. And then I'm just going to roughly blow dry my hair. I'm using the Dyson hair dryer. I'm using the L'Oreal Professional Steam Pod hair straightener to straighten my hair. I think the steam in it really helps in straightening the hair out like super straight, and it leaves it really soft and silky, so I find this really easy to use. And for makeup, I'm just going to apply some tinted moisturizer from Smashbox. I have been really into this lately, and this is usually what my 5-minute makeup looks like. I'm just going to apply some mascara. This one is the Superfan mascara. I think it really separates my eyelashes well and makes it look natural, tinted and lifted, followed by applying some brow mascara. This one is from Huda Beauty. I'm actually trying this for the first time. It is really nice, and you guys saw this blush in my last haul. I have been really using it. It's such a pretty color. I love it. Followed by applying some Nudies Glow. This is so good. It is such a natural looking highlighter, and I'm basically applying this all over my face, also using it as an eyeshadow. And for my lips, I'm using this color which looks exactly like my lips but better. It's from Maybelline. It's called Lead the Way. It's super long lasting and very comfortable on the lips. And this is the finished hair and makeup. If you could hug me right now, this is what I would smell like. I'm applying the perfume first, and you can even pair it with a magnifier. This is Magnifying Rose. And this is my complete finished outfit and look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.